making pipe cleaner fidgets just like this one. This is a great way to calm your body down when you're feeling stressed or anxious and need to refocus your mind. You can always buy fidgets, but as a Girl Scout, we like to use our resources wisely and like to use our creativity. So we are going to use household items that can be found easily to make our fidget. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need 1 pipe cleaner, 1 large popsicle stick, 5 or 6 pony beads, scissors, and 2 pieces of tape. Just like this. You're going to take your beads and put them onto your pipe cleaner. And slide them to the middle. Then you are going to put this in the center of your popsicle stick and bend the ends around. Next, you are going to take your tape and put it around your pipe cleaner like so. And do the same thing for the other side. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to snip the ends off of the pipe cleaner on both sides. And there you go. You've made a simple fidget. You can move the beads around while holding it in your hand. Right, great job guys. See you later.